I was expecting sabihin mo Bali sa Siargao.
Ah,
Di ba ako nag-Siargao eh. So
Okay.
what's the best thing about Siargao?
maybe it's the people who were with me.
So maraming afam.
Ibang people
Ay.
naman yun.
Ay,
Ibang
di ba?
people naman yun. I mean, I traveled with friends.
Okay.
Mga ano ko sila, high school friends. Sila kasi,
Okay.
actually talaga, yung masasabi ko yung friends talaga na super, yung ano ko, parang constant, kumbaga,
Okay.
high school friends.
High school friends. Okay,
Oo,
that's good.
high school friends talaga. And punta kami doon. Ang dami namin, we're 12 ata.
Masaya.
Oo, number one, ang ganda ng Siargao. Tapos syempre,
Yeah.
the company. I would say Bali. Yung Bali kasi,
Solo ka lang nun.
solo. Kasi
yeah.
parang one of my friends told me na once in your life, you should try to
alone.
travel alone.
Yeah.
You will, parang
Get
you
to know
will get to know
yourself
yourself better.
better.
Parang ganon. And I would
True.
say, yung Bali experience was also good. It's just that doon ko na-realize na parang mas gusto ko yung may kasama.
Same.
It can be
Yeah.
kahit isa lang. Kasi alam mo yun, parang, alam mo yung experience na
Iba yung
nandun
shared
ako sa-
experiences. Eh.
Oh,
Like yung meron ka
exactly.
napapagkwentuhan.
Oo, exactly.
Example, yung museum of ice cream natin. Hanggang napaalala natin siya. So,
Exactly.
agree.
Parang may nakita akong magandang beach, di ba? Sa Bali.
Yeah.
Whatever beach. Parang, wow, ang ganda. Tapos parang, like, it would have been nice kung may kasama. Oo nga, no.
Mag-appreciate.
ang ganda. Oo, parang gano'n.
True.
Wala kasi ako mag-isa. But parang I've enjoyed it.
Yeah.
Kasi alam mo yun, nung alis ako, hindi ako excited. Takot ako. Alam mo, ayun na naman yung anxiety ng
Yeah.
person. So, anxiety ko na, takot ako na baka hindi ako yung, alam mo, pag nawala ako, takot ako magtanong, tapos parang feeling ko ang gullible ko, baka mamaya maloko ako doon and everything. So,
Yes.
madami akong ano. Tapos, nung nandun na ako, parang, okay, it was a nice experience. Core memory din. Pero
Okay.
sabi ko nga, at the end of the day, yung parang nandun ako sa hostel, parang it would have been nice
If
if
may kasama.
I have someone
Yeah.
with me.
I agree with you. Ako, pakiramdam ko, every travel that I had,
Mm.
nagiging memorable siya. Not just because of the sceneries, but with the people you're with.
No, di ba?
Especially kung sobrang kasundo mo sila and pare-pareho kayo ng wavelength and gusto sa mga travel nyo. Say, for example, na-enjoy yung mag-picture and everything. Na-enjoy nyo na fast-paced yung pare-pareho kayo ng To watch the full episode, just go to Spotify, Apple Podcasts, and YouTube. Just search Bienterview. Also, do follow me on all the social media platforms. Just search Bien Benito Marquez Baxal or Bien Viajero. It will truly help the channel grow. Thank you.